Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to type X bar in Word. So it is very easy to type or insert it. So first you need to click on insert and this last option symbol and more symbols. Just click on it. So this type of screen will be open. Need to font select. Click on this drop down and change the font and select this one. So character code is F009. Just type this character code and click on insert. Now close it. So very easily you can insert or type X bar in world. Need to change the color also. Just to select it. Font color option will be so. So click on it. Just drop down and change it. Any color which you like. Second to change the color. Firstly select it. Click on home and font color. So click on this drop down and change it. So this way you can type or insert X bar in Word. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video work for you or not.